Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Pad 5 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll to the very top to find About Tablet. Now we have to scroll down to find the Backup and Restore option, and scroll down again to enter the Google Backup section. And as you can see on the second position, we've got the Backup account option, so we can freely tap on it and add an account. If for some reason you cannot tap on it, then it is because this option with whole backup is turned off. So let me get back. As you can see, if it is inactive, just turn on this option. So let's tap on a backup account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And you do not have to enter the full email address, just the first part before the @ symbol, and tap on next, and your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got the options, so we can decide who will use this device, and I will stick with this first option, so let's tap on next. And here you can check the terms of service and privacy policy if you want to. Just tap on it, and here you've got all of the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, but let's ignore it because we will have the full step, as you can see, with the information about the Google one and the whole backup. So here we can check that we will be able to use 15 GB of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Under it, you've got also the info that your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and to manage it easily. You will be able to manage it easily. So if for some reason you do not want to back up the data right now, just tap on Not Now. As you can see, we will get back to this Backup and Restore option, but if you will again decide that you want to backup, just tap on this backup account, pick the one you just added, and as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to this step, so you do not have to go through the whole operation of adding the account and so on. So let's tap on Turn On, and basically that's all. From now on, all the data will be stored on your Google account. What's more, you've got the information, the option actually, the automatic restore, which is defaultly active. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on it, or turn it on by tapping on it again, and it simply means that when you will reinstall an app, then your device will restore all backed up settings and data. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your XIAOMI Pad 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.